So, how to foster independence? This is something that I think many of you are trying to figure out, like, how do I help my child feel more successful and more independent, right? And your ability to step back just a little bit. So, breaking down tasks. That goes back to, okay, you need to go to work today, so make sure you feed the dog and leave on time and make sure that you communicate with me, right? Or here's your homework for the week. How you have 4 midterms. How are you going to study for these? Helping them figure that out. Visual aids. I don't mean like you stick visual aids around your house, but for my 11-year-old, when COVID was here, we had on our door before she walked out of the door, do you have your mask? Do you have your backpack? Do you have your water bottle? And do you have a jacket on, right? At her eye level. Mm-hmm. So sometimes you do have to have those for kids. And it's just that visual reminder, oh man, I just gotta look. They might not even read it, but at least it's there. I won't go through every single one of these. One that sticks out to me is to provide choices. I love choices, but at the same time, if I ask I'll use my 11-year-old again, do you want grapes, bananas, or oranges? She's going to look at me like deer in the headlights because I just gave her 3 choices. 2 choices. Do you want apples or do you want grapes? Right? If you give a kid too many choices, they have no idea how to process that. And we live in a world in parenting that my husband helped me with this because I was like, well, they should have a choice, right? Right? No, parents need to guide, right? These are healthy choices. We have some of us that, train our kids to pack their own lunches. I did really well with that for my first 2, not so well with the youngest. But you taught them how to make choices, right? You know what's healthy food in your lunchbox. Now pick your carb, your treat, and all the fruits and veggies and everything else you need. So helping with that. And then also modeling. You got role models, right? All of what our kids learn is from us modeling and the people around them. So if you're modeling healthy habits, they're going to take after that. Or you can also use it as an example. Do you see that mom really has to break down my stuff so I know what is expected of me this week? Do you see how I'm planning out? I'm using meat on Sunday, what I need to feed you all for the week, because I'm going to be really late and busy this week. So really kind of modeling some of those behaviors.
Hi, this is Jessica, and I would like to thank you for watching. I do hope you found it helpful to your life situation. If you ever wish to talk about our wild programs, please reach out by contacting me through my email address or our contact form on our website. I do hope you are having a wonderful day.